Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I think everybody is safe and healthy. So we'll continue with the topic force. Till the previous classes, we have learned what is contact force and even discussed and through experiments we have understood what are the types of contact forces. Today we will be learning about the force at distance. So once again I will repeat what is force at distance. Now, when two objects are far from each other and an object applies force on other object, being at distance, that force is called as a force at distance. Once just we will see the definition. The force which occurs without any physical contact. That means two objects, they are far from each other without touching and having force between them. Such a force is called as a force at a distance. So the force which occurs without any physical contact between two objects is known as a force at a distance. That means these two objects are far from each other without any contact between them, and force is between these two objects. Such a force between these two objects is called as a force at a distance. So the types of force at distance or field forces are three types: gravitational force, magnetic force and electrostatic force. So first we will see the gravitational force. We all know that Earth is a very big magnet. It has attractive force. So whatever the object that is there will be attracted to the Earth. Now for example, if I take this duster if I leave it here, where does it go? It will just go and easily fall on the ground. Why this duster is falling down? Because Earth, which is a very big magnet which has force, is pulling this duster in the downward direction. Okay children? So, and if you carefully observe, there is space between this duster and the ground. And this distance, as this distance is between Earth and this object, and force is pulling this duster to the ground, gravitational force is a example for, or is a type of field force or force at distance. Now see, I am leaving this duster. So did you hear the sound? It has fallen on the ground because Earth is pulling the duster in the downward direction. Next, we will see the magnetic force. Now, see here, I have a magnet. This is magnet and this is a magnetic substance. Now see, there is distance between these two objects, between magnet and this ball pin. Now see, just carefully observe. See, have you seen? This ball pin is easily attracted by the magnet. Why this magnetic force is a field force? Because you can see there is, or force at distance, because you can see there is distance between these two objects, that is magnet and ball pin. But also you can see that this magnet is applying force on this ball pin so that it is attracted to the magnet. So this magnetic force is an example for field force or magnet force at a distance. Now just carefully observe. Now I placed a magnet on the paper and these are iron fillings. I will just sprinkle the iron fillings on the magnet. Carefully observe. You can see around this magnet there are some lines formed. Are you able to see? These are the lines. These lines are called as magnetic lines of force. And you can see all the iron fillings are arranged in a particular systematic order. These in the form of lines. These are called as magnetic lines of force. Here, what I am trying to explain through this experiment is, this place where these iron fillings are attracted, this complete space around the magnet, it is called as magnetic field. This is called as magnetic field. So, around this complete magnetic field, the force of this magnet will be applied. So, the force of this magnet can act complete to this place, and so these magnetic iron fillings are arranged in systematic order, and the space around this magnet is called magnetic field. That means in the magnetic field, this magnet will have the magnetic force.